I've been saving orange peels forever because I knew I wanted to make a cleanser out of it. So I got this from Walmart, little spray bottle. This is 28 ounces. I've been saving jars from pasta. So these mason jars, pasta sauce, recycled. And then I got this white vinegar from the 99-cent store for 99 cents. And every time I ate an orange, I just put it in a Ziploc and left it in the fridge. So let's start the process. The instructions said to put some orange peels in a glass jar. I don't know if I'm gonna need all 3 of these jars, but just in case. And it says basically, so it's better if you heat the vinegar, which, you know what, we'll do that. I'm gonna throw it in the microwave. But it needs to cover all of the orange peels. I'll probably need 2 jars then. And they say keep it in a dark place, so I'm gonna put it under my kitchen cabinet. They said the heating up the vinegar helps speed up the process. You know what? I'm not gonna heat it up. I want this to be like as natural as possible. So what I'm gonna do is, you can like ferment it for as long as you want. But I'm gonna keep the orange peels under my sink until I'm out of my current cleanser, which might be a while. Let's just see here. No, it might be soon. So once that cleanser is done, I'll probably just open 1 jar, see how it cleanses. If it gets all the soap scum off of my bathtub, then I know that's a good time to pour the rest of it out. If not, I'm gonna let it ferment under the sink a little longer. Wow, I filled up all 3 jars, which is good. And I meal prep this week with oranges for a snack, so I still have, so I'm gonna save these Ziploc bags because I'm gonna be putting orange peels in them each day. What I like about this is how cheap it is. I eat oranges anyway. 99-cent store had vinegar, and then this spray bottle had to be like 99 cents from Walmart. Actually, I don't even think they do 99 cents. I think it was 97 cents at Walmart. Oh, it just hit me. Hopefully I have enough vinegar. All right, let's pour 1. If I don't have enough vinegar for all of these bottles, which this is 32 ounce, this is what, a pint? Yeah, I don't think that's gonna be enough to cover all these. I'ma just buy some more vinegar. So we'll probably just test 1 then for now. I didn't think this through. Oh, it fit. Perfect. That's gonna cover, right? Yay! And then this is all covered. Did I pour? Okay, good. I'm pouring it in there. So there's not enough. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for now and buy some more vinegar for this jar. So seal it up. brew. All right, it's been a few weeks. I think I'm gonna use my old all-purpose cleaner bottle. This is 32 ounces. I have 2 jars that I made of the orange peels and vinegar. I wish I had like one of those like funnels, but I don't. So we're gonna do this over the kitchen and hope it doesn't splash everywhere. Ooh, good. It's flowing right in there. Yes. So my tub is good and dirty. Like I have to clean my tub out every day because I use African black soap. And it smells so good. I thought with the white vinegar it would be like super, because I don't really like the smell of vinegar like that. Yeah, it's like perfect. So that's not even, oh, you can't really see. Here's a clear line. That's not even really like half the bottle. So almost a full bottle. I'm cleaning, so I'm gonna let you guys know how it went. I'm gonna do a before and after picture of my tub so y'all can see how this works. Before clip, got a little ring around the tub. After effect, look at that bad boy, shiny, no scum, none of that. And it does look, maybe let me get the angle right. It's not hitting right. Because it looks like it's a line, but it's really the way my tub indents. I don't know how to explain it.